All right, so for this practice activity in code.org, we're looking at variables, and what variables allow us to do is we can use this up here called var, and we're going to name it ear size, and we're going to give it the number 80. So down here, this is kind of where we're making the ear. Okay, so the ears of the bear, and we can easily just, instead of typing 80 in here all the time, we can use this ear size and plug this in here. Same thing with eye size and center. And if we look through here, just update the code to use the variables. You do not need to add any new blocks. You only need to change the values of the blocks already on the screen. So if you notice, like this is 80, this is ear size. So the easiest thing to do, and if you want to, you can go ahead and type these in, but you got to be careful, because if you don't capitalize everything correctly, it will not work and you'll get an error. So in this case, we want ear size here and here. And what I'm going to do is actually copy this, Control C, and paste them here and here. It will do the same thing. Nothing will change on this screen. It just makes it much easier that if I wanted to change the ear size instead of 80 and make it 85, I do it one time up here and then it gets plugged in down here because of the variable name. And that's basically what happens is down here in your code, it looks at ear size and it looks up here for what the number is and plugs it into these locations or these parameters for the ellipse. Okay, so we're also going to do center. So center is 15. Or I'm sorry, we'll do eye size. So we'll copy that. And what we really need to go down here is just look for the 15. Well, we're going to place that here and here, here, and here. And then we're going to go ahead and place center, which is right here. We're going to copy that. That's 200. So we don't want to actually place this here. Well, we could actually. Those are 200. We'll just go ahead and place those there and there. And I believe we have one right here. And then right here. And one more right here. And again, so we put the center here. And it's just taking that number and plugging it in down there. Doesn't change anything on the screen. When we reset this and run it, it's going to look identical. It just makes it much, much easier when you code to use variables, because variables essentially just store information for us. In this case, you know, a number for 80 or 15 or 200. Okay. All right, so that's this activity. Hopefully that helps you, and good luck.